Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show my viewers how to make okra stew. Here are the ingredients for okra stew. You need your palm oil, red oil. You need your chopped okra. You need your spinach. You need your crab. You need your beef feet. You need your dry fish. You need a little bit of spice, and also you need blended ginger, garlic, and pepper as your also your spice. So these are the simple ingredients you need. So to start with, I'm gonna just boil my okra and spinach, and just one cube. So at this stage, we're gonna put our beef feet and our crab with our spices, and we're gonna do the process called steaming. We're gonna let it boil over a little bit. Whilst our spinach and okra is boiling, I forgot to show you this. It's tomatoes. We needed tomatoes and pepper. You have to blend it. At this point, we're gonna put our fish in it, add it to the steaming. Add it to it, cover it. At this point, we're gonna do our stew. So the red oil, you pour a little bit of red oil and get it heated a little bit. You put the onions in it, and remember, we are cooking healthy, so you're not gonna let the oil be too brown, because we're not gonna let the onion be too brown. Remember, cook healthy. And as we go on, we proceed. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you'll find a lot of food over there, and it's called Global Kitchen. Just subscribe, tap the bell for notifications. So we're not gonna, like I said, we're not gonna allow it to be too brown, because we need it a lot. Now we're gonna put in our blended tomatoes and pepper. Give it a little bit of stir and let it boil over about maybe a minute. Yeah, at this point, we got it where it's supposed to be a little bit. We put our tomato paste. They're very important. Give it a stir. Give it a good stir. For those who are new in my channel, you already know that I cook healthy, so I don't put too much spices. I'm gonna add just a Maggi cube, a little bit. The essence of this channel is to cook healthy and eat healthy, so I try to eliminate more toxic spices that we find around, and so that I can cook healthy. So after leaving it for 30 minutes to cook, now it's ready. Remember, we already cooked our okra and spinach, so we're gonna put it in. Give it a very good stir. After a good stir, just cover it for it to cook for about 25 minutes more.